chance that you gotta.
Hi and welcome to my channel. We are all cozy up so I can customize my new iPhone 17. Let's get into the video. I was going to do a quick matcha clip with you all, but I was like, I don't need any more matcha at the moment. So we're just gonna have this water and my sticky note. For reference, I usually watch Julia K. Christ and maybe Haley for iPhone customizing tips. So I have apps to use: iScreen, Widgetsmith, Pinterest, Notion, and color widgets. So let's get started. First I changed the appearance. I had it thick, but I didn't like that anymore. Canva and download my wallpaper that I created for this phone with the sizing. I have to see where it's
Back and I'm better. Back and I'm back and I'm better. Back when I'm famous, back and I'm pull up, back and I'm getting the right and I'm back and I'm.
And I love that I don't have to log in every single device. Here it is, iPhone 17 wallpaper, and I'm gonna make that the lock screen. My iPhone XR, I wasn't able to customize the wallpapers how I wanted them to be. So yeah, let's just create a brand new wallpaper. Oh, that quality looks great. Oh my gosh, I finally have it. Yeah. I don't know if it's screen recording. I hope it is. Do I want spatial photo? I think I do. I'm going to make mine as purple as possible, or I'll do it to match this right here. Okay, then we're gonna do it like that. I want it as liquid gold, but it's really a liquid glass. But I don't know why, I just feel like this is just a liquid gold. Let's add widgets. Well, I think I can add any widgets because I didn't do iScreen. Alright, let's go to iScreen. Control center.
Whoever invented this deserves a raise. I honestly don't know why it took until 2025.
Let's usually do the love. The text is cute. Really love the letters. Yeah, let's make it purple. I am finally getting somewhere. Oh, you can see. Alrighty, final review. Now we're gonna start with the first page, which is my home feed. I have my Notion page, which is my content calendar planner. It's just all in one. Helps me stay organized. A fun idea for matcha with purple ube gold foam. I have ube powder, so I definitely want to have amore, which I was saying earlier means love, or in Italian it means to love. A cute little crisp window with perfect lighting and purple flowers coming up and around it. And lastly is a quote: "Make it happen, girl, shock everyone. Commit to the Lord, whatever you do, and he will establish your plans." And that's Proverbs chapter 16 verse 3. And I felt like that was a perfect verse for me to see every day. Keep going no matter what. You got this, girl. Now to my second page, which is more like my home base for my apps. I have this created through Widgetsmith, and this is actually my matcha creation. Here, camera, another I am affirmations, and then my P tracker, ladies, if you know, you know. My Apple Wallet, my new folder with my finances in it, all my banking apps and stuff like that I use to keep up with my money. Social media, apps / editing. I've Mavely, Pinterest, CapCut, Etsy, Canva, and I'm going to add in my ShopMine and my Bendable so I can use that on here instead of on my iPad, because I removed so much stuff to get a lot of storage back, and I turned the photos off. I have YouTube, which I think I'm gonna put that right. You have to have Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. And then that's my iPhone 17. Lavender. I forgot to show the control center, LOVE, and the purple being different colors. So same color, but I think that's really cute. A lot of them long along with short ones, but now that I'm thinking about it, I didn't leave any room for my Apple Music, but that's okay because I like it on my, like a full wallpaper on my lock screen, so that's fine with me. Okay, I can see. I don't know if I can see. So there's the time calendar and the widgets at the bottom, which is affirmations, my weather currently, and my steps. Yeah, those are the steps. I didn't switch anything up for my flashlight or my camera, and then you go home and this is what it looks like. So let me give you the full effect. Oh, okay. And I changed the background too. I didn't want it blurred anymore, so I did a matcha colored book along with a lilac colored book, which is definitely my personality. If y'all can't tell, I love pastel colors. So as we have the widgets along with my calendar and a quote at the bottom with a Bible verse, that just me all day. A good quote plus a Bible verse, come on. Well, Bible then quote. Then we have the widget of my iced matcha latte for the Valentine's Day and Love Month. Home feed Pinterest widget along with my everyday go-to apps that I'll be using and need to use more. And after that, you have your app library. And that, you all, is my iPhone 17 in lavender. I'll go ahead and show y'all the back and take off the case. And y'all let me know what y'all think of this video. I truly had so much fun. Here she is, a good beauty. Let me see. Come see me for, yeah. It's perfect size for me. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so thankful to have my phone, brand new phone, good amount of storage space. Let me tell y'all the current storage. I mean, y'all been through it with me talking about, oh, my storage. Let's see how much storage. I've only used 58 gigabytes of storage. I have 256. That looks amazing for me. Y'all have a great life. Thank you for always supporting me. Y'all mean a lot to me. This channel means a lot, and this was my #1 goal as a kid, especially like between 8 through 12. I wanted a YouTube channel really bad. I'm so thankful to have it, and this is officially my year 2. Thank you all so much for always liking my videos and rocking with me. I love you all so much, and God bless y'all. Have a great life. Bye.